Well, it's the first week of February. About 4 days ago, the entire ground was nothing but ice. We had half a week off of work because we couldn't run trucks. And now it's 60 degrees outside. So I think I'm gonna do the right thing. Give the Harley a bath. This thing has literally been rode hard and put up wet. And to top it all off, it needs a tire. It is straight up sitting on the ground. Forgive the shop for being an absolute train wreck. We got some changes coming up that we're going to be doing some things. We'll update y'all when things happen. So I got a new tire coming. These seats will be in a future video too. But I got a surprise for you on what type of tire we're putting on this bike. So with the weather being nicer today, I think I'm going to take the bike out, wash it up, and go ahead and start taking this back tire off. Yep. I got a lot of cutting I'm going to have to do. Alright. So the gist of it is, this Harley is my daily driver. Since my Silverado kind of crapped the bed. And one day I ran over something fairly large and created a pretty good sized hole in it. Back tire here, as you can hear, because the plugs come out. That's what happened. Okay. So we didn't plug it far enough. This plug is shot though. Dang it! I gotta go back in and get more plugs. Okay, whatever, I don't care. Just more time. More time I gotta take. Let's do the things we gotta do. Got the plugs. Anyway, I hit something pretty big. Ran over something pretty big. Acquired it. Involuntarily. And did I pass it? I don't feel like I did. There it is. Anyway, this is my little roadside kit that I have just in case I, have a flat. Helped a whole lot. Biggest problem was I had all this stuff, but I pulled off at a gas station that's known to have free air. And compressor and everything worked, just the air chuck was missing the pin that pushes on the valve. So it wasn't actually airing anything up. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to try to take two of these, put them together. Basically just ripped them out of the package together. And then, because this actually worked to make it hold air last time. It's just, it pushed it out. So this tire is getting changed out anyway. It doesn't really matter if this holds air. This is really just a to be able to move the bike around here and wash it. I mean, that actually worked out okay looking. We'll see. Trying to rub it together. I didn't put any cement stuff on this. Let me go get a knife. Hopefully soon enough we'll have more space. You guys can get a better shot at what the heck I'm doing. But right now I just use a flat razor blade. It comes in a scraper kit. It's like scraping stuff off windows. Just gonna flush it up. Alright, without moving the tire, I'm gonna go ahead and put air in it. Alright, it's holding air so far. Yeah, compressor's low. Okay. Act cool, cops coming down the street. Chaos. No, I know, I'm done with it.